Ben, I heard rumors that you are no longer allowed to show your face at the trendy artisan coffee shop down the street because you openly made a move on the staff before your morning walk.
That is a massive exaggeration. Ava. I did not make a move on anyone. I was simply trying to order a strong caffeine kick.
The barista apparently stopped the espresso machine, stared at you in absolute shock, and told you she was flattered but strictly professional. Forget the textbooks. Learn real English with us. Welcome to the Loft.
She did say that? Yes. And the entire line of people behind me went completely silent.
Oh no, Ben. You tried to sound casual, and instead, you caused a scene.
My brain told me I was being smooth. I wanted to sound natural, relaxed, and confident. Instead, I sounded like a desperate reality TV contestant.
Today's topic, the phrasal verb trap. Specifically, how shifting a single pronoun changes a casual request into an accidental pickup line. This is our unique approach to the classic promise. Listen to this disaster once, and you will speak naturally forever. Let's look at why your brain scrambles word order when you are trying too hard to look cool.
This happened last Saturday. It was a beautiful morning, and I walked into the Daily Grind, which is the most popular, stylish coffee shop in our neighborhood. The line was long, the acoustic music was playing. Everything was perfect.
I know that place. It is always packed with local designers, artists, and people who look like they belong in a fashion magazine.
Exactly, and because the vibe is so relaxed, I felt a sudden pressure. I thought, Ben, don't just say, "Can I have a coffee, please?" That sounds like a standard textbook dialogue. Be modern, speak like a native speaker who belongs in the neighborhood.
Okay, listeners, picture this with me. Ben, standing in a crowded, high-end coffee shop, surrounded by very cool people, overthinking his vocabulary choices while staring at a menu.
I finally reached the front of the line. The barista is this super confident woman with a colorful apron. She looks at me and says, "Hey there, what can I get started for you today?" And this was my moment to shine. I wanted to use a casual phrasal verb to ask for an extra shot of espresso.
And what did your brain produce?
I leaned against the counter, gave a confident smile and said, "Hey, hook up with me and make it a double espresso."
Oh my goodness, Ben, no!
Ava, I was nodding when I said it. I stood there looking proud of myself.
You nodded while asking the barista to romantically hook up with you.
The words sounded right in my head, but the music seemed to stop instantly. The barista froze mid-reach. She slowly turned around, looked at my face, and the three people behind me in line actually gasped.
What did she say?
She cleared her throat and said, "Sir, I just make the macchiatos. If you want a date, you will have to try an app."
Oh, the secondary embarrassment is real. What did you do?
My brain completely panicked. I didn't even correct myself. I just blurted out, "No, just a liquid. Put the liquid inside me." Which, let's be honest, made it sound 5 times worse.
Let's break this down, because this is a phenomenal example of how phrasal verbs can completely turn against you if you mix up the word order. This isn't about translating from another language. It's an internal structural trap that confuses intermediate learners all the time.
It felt like a completely valid English phrase. I knew the words hook, up, and me.
You knew the individual words, but phrasal verbs are highly sensitive to structure. When you want someone to provide you with an item, a discount, or a favor, the slang expression is to hook someone up with something. The object or person goes in the middle.
Right, so I should have said, "Hook me up with a double espresso."
Exactly. Hook me up with is great, natural B1 to B2 conversational English. It means give me or provide me with. But the moment you move the pronoun to the end and say, hook up with me, you are using a completely different idiom. To hook up with someone means to have a romantic or physical encounter with them.
So by changing the position of me, I went from ordering breakfast to asking for a romantic relationship.
Precisely. Your brain was trying so hard to avoid basic textbook English that it overcorrected, scrambled the grammar, and created a social nightmare. To speak naturally, you don't need to force heavy slang. Simple phrases like, "Could I get a double espresso?" or "I'd like a double espresso, please," are elegant, authentic, and completely safe.
I see those safe phrases now. They haunt me.
So, did you actually get your coffee, or did you run out of the shop empty-handed?
Oh, I stayed. I had already waited 15 minutes in that line, Ava. I was getting my caffeine. She handed me the cup, but she wrote my name on it as Mr. Hookup.
She turned your mistake into a permanent label.
She did. Now, whenever I walk in there, the staff smiles. I managed to get my coffee, but I lost my dignity.
Honestly, it is a great icebreaker. You are a local legend now. Lesson number 1. Never force slang phrasal verbs unless you are absolutely certain of the word order. Moving a pronoun can completely change the definition. Lesson number 2. Textbook English is not your enemy. Phrases like, "Could I please have?" are used by native speakers every single day and carry zero risk of accidental flirting. Lesson number 3. If you make a spectacular language blunder in public, don't try to dig a deeper hole with weird explanations. Just laugh, say, "Sorry, wrong word order," and correct it. Have you ever tried to use a casual English expression or slang word only to realize it meant something completely inappropriate? Tell us your funniest stories in the comments below. We love reading them.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
Stay curious, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode. Cheers!
Bye-bye.